Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's perfect for anyone looking to protect and preserve important documents. We found the Fellowes Rhea Laminator with pouch starter kit, and we've included a link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability. The Fellowes Rhea Laminator is designed to keep your important letters, documents, and photos safe from wear and tear. Whether you're a teacher looking to laminate educational materials, a parent preserving children's artwork, or someone who wants to protect important documents, this laminator is a great choice. One of the standout features of the Rhea Laminator is its versatility with both hot and cold lamination options. This means you can choose the best method for your specific needs. If you're using 3 or 5 ml pouches, a hot lamination will provide a strong, durable seal, ensuring that your documents are safeguarded for years to come. On the other hand, if you're dealing with heat-sensitive materials, the cold lamination option is just as effective. Speed is another impressive aspect of the Fellowes Rhea. With InstaHeat technology, the laminator warms up in just 1 minute. Once it's ready, you can laminate at speeds of up to 19 inches per minute. This is particularly beneficial if you're laminating multiple items at once, as it allows you to work quickly and efficiently. The design of the laminator is sleek and modern, with a white and gray color scheme that will fit well in any workspace. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to operate, even for those who may be new to laminating. The included pouch starter kit is an excellent touch, as it provides you with everything you need to get started right out of the box. This laminator is suitable for a wide range of users. Teachers can use it to create long-lasting lesson plans and classroom materials. Parents can preserve precious memories, like their children's first drawings or important certificates. Small business owners can laminate promotional materials or business cards to enhance their durability, making a professional impression on clients. In practical terms, there are numerous use cases for the Fellowes Rhea Laminator. You can laminate menus for restaurants, create waterproof guides for outdoor activities, or even preserve family recipes for generations to come. The possibilities are virtually endless, which makes this device a valuable addition to any home or office. In summary, the Fellowes Rhea Laminator with pouch starter kit is an efficient, versatile, and user-friendly solution for anyone looking to protect important documents. With its rapid warm-up time, dual lamination options, and impressive speed, it's designed to meet a variety of lamination needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.